welcome to yet another fun unboxing, hopefully. Unless I cut myself open instead of the box, because this one's, oh my, this one is extra hard to open. Some of these are, some of them are really easy, so come on, get out. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, get out. Okay. This, my friends, is a new kind of mouse. And hopefully it's as good as I expected it to be. Let's see here. Open it up. Here we go. Now, I've been using Logitech for a lot of years, but the one that I have has one fatal flaw. It's the marble mouse from Logitech, and its fatal flaw is that, unlike this one, it does not have a scroll wheel. This one seems to have the ball, a scroll wheel that also clicks, 2 more buttons, and then, well, it just has so many buttons. So if it turns out to be as useful as the other one, and it charges properly with the, because this one's wireless and the other one is wired, then I've solved a lot of problems. It looks like it's a little bit thinner. In another video, I will show you the difference between these two, and I'll let you know which one is better. So we'll go from there. But anyway, it looks like it is an Italian brand. This is one of the first times that I've bought an Italian brand, and I'm hoping it will be just as good as my Logitech. Anyway, hope this helps you guys, because I don't see any videos on this out there. This will probably be the first, and so hope it helps you out, and I'll see you in the next one.